Yo, what is going on everybody? My name is Chris and welcome back to my channel. So since my last video I've been getting a lot of questions asking me how do I find my winning products. So in today's video I'll be explaining what a winning product is, how I test to see if a product is a winning product or not, why finding a winning product isn't enough to optimize your store's potential, and also websites that I use to find a winning product. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So a winning product is a product that generates profits nearly every single time that it is advertised. Obviously there is some exceptions. Like you could have a winning product but choose a bad influencer to advertise with. But advertise with a good influencer, a winning product will always generate profits. So one question I get asked a lot recently is how do I test to see if a product is a winning product or not? So what I do is I get two pictures of the product that I'm testing, two different ad sets, and I test them on three different influencers' pages of between 250,000 followers to 500,000 followers. I then test one picture with one ad set on one of the Instagram influencers' pages. I then change the picture but keep the same ad set for another influencer's page. And then for the last influencer I just change the ad set. If all three don't generate you any profit, you don't have a winning product. But if two of the three generate you profit, you more than likely have a winning product. So before I go into all the websites that I use to find the winning product, I want to let you know that you should be thinking long term when finding your winning product. So what I mean is you don't just find the winning product, import it into your store and then just leave it at that. Instead, you should be looking for more products that are in your store's niche. If your product doesn't have any related products, I'd advise staying away from it. This is because you don't just want to sell the winning product by itself. You want to make sure that you're both upselling and downselling on your store. For example, if you're in the gaming niche and a customer adds a keyboard to their cart, you then want to upsell them a mouse. If the customer says no to the mouse, you then want to downsell a cheaper alternative. You then want to make sure you have even more related products to your winning product, as you then want to target the people who've already bought through email marketing. So this is why I believe finding a winning product isn't enough to optimize your store's potential. Okay, so the first website that I use to find the winning product is myip.ms. This website allows you to see the Shopify stores that are getting the most traffic to their stores. So obviously if a store is getting a lot of traffic, they must have a winning product. So when you go to this website, you'll be brought to this page. Usually the first 5 pages are celebrity pages or brands. So what you're going to want to do is come down to page 6. This is usually where you'll find people who use Shopify to dropship from AliExpress. What you're then going to want to do is pick one of these pages and copy the link that is on your screen now into the URL. You then want to go back to AliExpress and look for this product. You can then repeat this step to find even more winning products. Another way I find winning products is by using AliExpress's best-selling page. This is extremely basic but also extremely effective. So I use both the weekly bestsellers as well as the hot products page to get my products. So as you can see on your screen, this is the weekly bestsellers. So already I can see a potential winning product in this sock. So it has 22,000 orders, so that means that this product is in demand. It is also only $1.43, so you could sell this product in bundles to get money, or you can use a free plus shipping deal and give the product away for free but then charge $8 shipping. This will get a lot of attention and then you can draw people into your store and get them into the beginning of a sales funnel. Another reason why this product could be a winning product is it's a product that relieves pain for the customer. So that means the customer won't mind paying, as it is relieving pain for the customer and providing them value. I also believe that this product could be a potential winning product, as I believe this product has the potential to go viral. You could pay someone to make a video explaining all the benefits of this sock. This is to get people educated and to make people buy. This product may also be good to start, as you can target people with this problem directly through Facebook ads. This product also has a lot of votes and it has a 4.8 out of 5 rating, so this product is very highly rated. This means that the supplier is good and they ship out all their products, and that all the products they ship out arrive on time and aren't damaged. You also want to go down to the feedback to see what other people are already saying about this product. So as you can see, all the reviews here are good. So yeah, this product here is a potential winning product. Another way that I use AliExpress to find winning products is I search up whatever niche I'm in or I'm interested in getting into, and then I sort the products by orders. So let's say you're in the cat niche. What you do is type in cats and then sort by orders. This will give you the most popular cat products that are being sold on AliExpress. So this gives you products that are in high demand from AliExpress customers that you could capitalize on with your store. So as you can see, this is another easy way to find winning products on AliExpress. Another way to find winning products is to create a new Instagram account. You then follow the top 20 to 30 accounts that are in your niche. You follow their activity for like 4 or 5 days and see what they are posting. Anyone who is advertising on an influencer with 1 million plus followers is more than likely making money because people don't usually test on pages that have that amount of followers. Then when you find a recurring product that keeps coming up on ads, you want to look that product up on AliExpress and import it into your store. Okay, so I'm running out of time again as I have to go to a meeting. But if you guys want me to make a part 2 on how I find a winning product, let me know in the comments down below. So the last website that I'll be showing you in this video is thieves.co. This website will give you so many hot products. It shows you the latest products, what people from AliExpress choose as their best products, trending products, the most popular products, and products based on their price. Personally, I use the trending products instead of what's popular because from my experience, the most popular products are oversaturated, whereas the trending products still have a huge market of people to advertise you. If you already have a niche and you want to find more winning products for your store, you come up here to the search tab, enter in your niche, and then you have all the trending products on AliExpress for your niche. I usually go with a product that has more than 60 upvotes, but anything with 50 plus should be okay. So that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed, let me know by hitting the like button. If you got any value from this video at all, you should subscribe down below for some more free valuable content. If you want to network or ask a question, DM me on Instagram. And until next time, peace.
Stone, 2 damn phones, Babylons can't crack the code. Used to sip out styrofoam.